So here's my main garden right here. Sorry, I'm showing you off my gardens today. So we've got peas. I'm gonna build a trellis that's gonna go over here so that the peas and the cucumbers, there's 2 cucumber plants, can climb up it. We've got a little bit of lettuce growing right here, not a lot, just a couple romaines. We've got these peppers, which are poblano's. Those 2 we don't know what they are. Somebody brought them to me. My friend Patricia brought them to me, and I think she got them at some sort of weird sale or something, and she doesn't even know what they are. They're just pepper plants, so we'll see what kind of peppers they are when they grow up. We've got marigolds growing on either side here. Marigolds keep the pests away, that's why I plant them. We've got some tomato plants. These are all sun golds, these little ones. And over there we've got some other kinds, I'm not sure, I don't remember, brandywines I think. These are tomatillo plants. I'm a little concerned about them. I think the shock has caused of being, you know, moved, kind of caused a little problem here. But I'm gonna have to trim these yellow leaves off. It seems to be mostly just this one now. I'm gonna have to come out with my pruners and trim those off. But there are a lot of flowers on them already. So this is my yard. There's tons of clover in my yard, as you can see. And then we got this one over here. This is mostly herbs. We got parsley, tarragon and sage, dill, some thyme, whole ton of basil. Oh, and there's a little rosemary plant over there that's not looking so good, to be honest. Whole ton of basil. This basil has gotten a little browned. I'm not sure what happened there too. I think it's also the shock. Got some thyme and some chives. So this kale is so pretty, huh? It's a special type of kale that's like purple. And I do have some oregano planted over here, but it has not come up yet, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen with that. But this Mexican tarragon has a little bloom on it. We're gonna pick that off. Pretty little blooms. Just gonna put it right there. Over here's my daughter's herb garden, which has some thyme, oregano, and chives in it. And over here in this box, we have bee balm at the top. And you can't see them because they haven't come up yet, of course. We've got beets and carrots planted there. So, not bad. Like my concern, I do have concern about this one tomatillo plant though. Some of the others have a few like messed up leaves too. Not sure what's going on there. I might ask my gardening group about it. But that's my garden. I know this is a very short film, but I just wanted to show you guys my garden.